Hello, welcome to continuation of Boomcrash win robots. You can see this is basically $10 account and we are already on a $38 and we are targeting over $200. You see, this robot is all you need. You don't need to be trading this Boomcrash market and be losing a lot. Two things you basically need to do: either you join our Boomcrash VIP group, VIP Boomcrash group, to trade Boomcrash group on daily basis, or you get this robot, or basically you do both. You get this robot to trade, to give you signals, verify signals, and you also join our VIP Boomcrash to trade in line, because the risk reward varies. The risk reward from signal is much more bigger. The risk reward from robot is also cool, but it decides on what